about India, our country. India is a large and beautiful country located in the southern part of Asia. It stretches 3214 km from north to south and 2933 km from east to west. India is the seventh largest country in the world. India is the seventh largest country in the world. Neighboring countries of India. Land neighbors are Pakistan, China, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Myanmar, and Afghanistan. And sea neighbors are Sri Lanka and Maldives. Physical features of India. India has many kinds of land. Mountains in the north, northern plains, northern plateaus, deserts, coastal areas, and islands. The southern part of India is a peninsula. A peninsula is a piece of land that has water on three sides and land on one side. So India is a peninsula because it has Bay of Bengal on the east, Arabian Sea on the west, Indian Ocean on the south, and it's connected to the land in the north. It's made up of 28 states and 8 union territories. Each state has its own capital and government, while union territories are controlled by the central government. The capital of India is New Delhi and it is part of National Capital Territory of Delhi. Thanks for watching. Thank you.